Ladies and gentlemen, today is a beautiful day. Not just because the sun is shining a little bit outside my window right now, but we have the newest Bob and Brad EM-19 Deep Tissue Precision Massage Gun. Has a digital display. Now Bob and Brad do offer many different types of massage guns, so I will link this as well with others. I've actually reviewed quite a few massage guns by this company before. They make high quality massage guns. This massage gun, which again is the EM-19, has 20 different adjustable speed levels and 6 different massage heads. It's quiet and powerful with a brushless motor, and it runs between 1200 and 2600 RPMs per minute and is able to penetrate up to 10 millimeters deep into the muscle. It has a large capacity 1500 milliamp battery. On a full charge, you can use it for 4 hours of continuous use, and it has a built-in smart chip to prevent overheating and overcharging. Charging time is 2 hours from completely out of battery juice to fully charged. The rated power of the battery is 24 volt. Without further ado, let's get this out and we're going to run through some examples as well. Okay. If you are familiar with my videos, they do offer a very nice material type of a case, which I really like. It almost looks like a drone case here. Very nice again. Handle zippers all the way around for portability. Go ahead and open this guy on up, and here we go. So let's get our packaging material out of the way here. Have a couple O-rings right there. We have our user manual right here. Let's take a look at our massager, and then we'll go ahead and look at all our different accessories here. And we have of course, our charger plug here. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is number one, a good looking massage gun, matte black. We have a silicone handle coming around here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this for our digital display. Now, if you are wondering, this is a full-size massage gun. They do offer some lighter weight ones. This does not feel very heavy in my hand. I didn't see anything in the instruction manual, but I weighed it off camera, and it's weighing in at 2.08 pounds. Again, 2.08 pounds. So just a hair over 2 pounds. Okay, looking at the bottom here, we have our on and off switch, our charger import right here. Again, our digital display we're going to look at in just a second. Silicone handle. Ventilation on top. Insert our massage heads here. Let's go ahead and click it on. You have an LED indicator light here. You have your gear indicator right here. So again, it has 20 different levels. Now, even though you've switched the button on here, you still need to hit the power button here. That takes us to level 1. And then level 2, every time you hit this, or let's see if you can hold it. Yeah, you can hold it, and then it goes up to 20 there. And then when you're ready to shut it off there, you could shut it off there, or just hit the button right here as well. And then once you hit it back on, so let's go to level 5, level 6, and you turn it off. And then if you turn it back on, it will go to level 1 again. Then you just hold it down, go back up to your different levels, etc. That is nice and quiet. Okay, how to insert your attachment here. Take your attachment, obviously just put it on in here. And what I do is I just hold it from the back like this here, and I just push in with my palm here like this, and now that is good to go. So let's go ahead and fire that up to 20, and I'm going to put it up to my microphone here. That's actually very quiet. Obviously it's still making a noise, but that's very quiet for level 20 as well. Let's kick it down to level 10, and it still has a noise to it, but again, quiet for how powerful that is. You could definitely watch a television show while you're massaging. Worst case scenario, you might want to click up the volume on the TV a couple notches, but not bad at all. So let's go ahead and kill that for a second here. Okay, so this attachment right here, and that's just easily how you remove it there. This attachment right here, kind of hard to see on camera, but that's a felt ball, and they actually have 2 of these. And this used to be my favorite, still is a really enjoyable one as well for a large muscle group, and we'll show you some examples with this one here. But then they also give you a larger one as well. And again, this has a very, kind of hard to see on camera, but a very slight give to it, like a felt ball. And that's really good for penetrating large muscle groups, shoulders, legs, etc. And obviously not on camera, but off camera, I was playing disc golf, and I actually pulled some muscle down in my glute region, which is your butt region. And so I'm going to have to massage that out off camera, obviously, for sure. Okay, looking at our other 4 attachments, which again is 6 attachments total. We have a U1, and these are all hard plastic now. That's great for spine, quads, legs, etc. Then you have more of kind of a curved edge with a little bit of like almost like teeth to it here. And again, that's all hard plastic. And then you have what I call like the stopper, or the cork stopper. Almost looks like a cork stopper there. Has a very slight raise to it, but not much at all. Not flat, but very slight raise to it, kind of a dome, very slightly. That's great as well for shoulders, etc. That's hard plastic once again. And then this one right here, if you're trying to penetrate through your muscles, through your shoulders, boxing classes, penetrate your shoulders, disc golf, penetrate your forearms, tennis, you name it, this is a great one to penetrate through. All right, with that said, let's show you some examples. All right, let me show you some examples again. We're gonna go ahead and push it in. Once again, boom, bada bing, bada boom, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and go up to level 10. And let's go ahead and show you the shoulders here. Sorry for the farmer's tan, that's just how it is. I live in Colorado. I actually live on a ranch, so I'm allowed to have a farmer's tan. So as we're going around the shoulders, let's get a nice up close shot there. And then what I do, instead of just kind of like going over it, I actually apply a little bit of pressure into my shoulder while it hits my shoulder. And you just watch a television show. To be honest with you, that's probably the only time I ever do it, when I'm watching a television show. I don't sit around drinking a cup of coffee, massaging or anything like that. So do it when it's convenient, and I don't do it very long at all. 5-10 minutes, sometimes even less than that. Sometimes even before bed, just for like 2 minutes right on my arm. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if I curl this hand too tight while I sleep. I kind of tuck it under my arm. But I need to do this more consistently on this arm, because this hand is falling asleep while I sleep. I wake up and I get these tingles in my hand. And I think it's just blood flow in this arm. So I want to start massaging this arm. And again, massage guns are awesome, but you need to use them frequently and consistently if you have sore muscles. I really do enjoy them because they go so deep into the muscles, as we're seeing right here, as I'm just kind of doing this on camera. As you can see it work in my forearm, you'll actually feel it right there. You can tell your body is tight and getting that right there. So I think I need more blood flow, and I might be pinched off just all my years of lifting weights, boxing, frisbee disc golf. Your body ages. You need to kind of smooth it out. This can be good for the neck as well. Just know that it's going to go brrr, so I won't do it on camera, but I guess I will do it on camera. I won't get the microphone on that one. You could do your chest. If your chest is a little sore, definitely like it on my forearms. Just so many years of boxing. Frisbee disc golf, this is the arm I throw. Forearms, you know, if you get some tightening, shortening, elongation, tennis elbow, lower back, especially, let me kick that off for a second, especially because I do YouTube full time. I'm editing at a desk, surfing the web. It's havoc on your back. I'm trying to get better posture. My posture is absolutely terrible. That's not how I normally sit. Typically, I sit like this with a hunch right here. That's not good. You need to have some nice posture. So massage that back, feel good. If your body feels good, let it feel good. Okay, we're gonna get to the legs here in just a second, but now I wanna show you this. Now, something to keep in mind with the design of this, I do wanna comment saying that when you do put it in and out, obviously this is a touch display. So some oddball reason, if you're just handling it like this, you'll actually turn it on and off. I don't know if the camera even caught that. So just be aware that the digital display, touch display is right here. So when you're putting it in and out, I grip it from back here, so I'm not touching the digital display. Let's go ahead and turn it on one more time. Let's get in really nice and deep. Here, let me get this arm here, and we'll show you the deep functioning of this one here. All in there. Now, obviously something to keep in mind too, if you just saw that, especially with this attachment here. Watch bones, it'll do a little jump like that right there. So it doesn't hurt me, just be careful of your bones, but with, you know, all this is muscle. So this just gets nice and deep, penetrating through. You don't have to do it on bare skin. You can do it right on your shirt like this if you want. And getting all the way, that feels really nice. I just got to be more consistent with my massage gun usage while watching TV, because sometimes you forget how nice it is. Oh, goodness gracious. Yep. Oh, it's getting right through the shoulder. Golly, that feels really nice. Loosen that up a little bit. I'll tell you what, I've been doing some Arnold presses where you're kind of going like this and boom, up like this. And sometimes they get pretty sore, especially I'm doing some boom, boom, you know what I'm saying? And this gets it real nice. Feeling good, looking good. Okay, lastly, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna show you the legs here. Forgive my white legs, I'm a white dude. For you ladies doing all your squats, you guys working your hammies, this is great for this, especially after long runs. Get your quads, get your hammies, get your calves as well underneath, especially if you have a little bit of strain. My good buddy actually had some gnarly strain in his calf that prevented him from running. Gave him a massage gun, fixed him right up, because sometimes you have some shortening or elongation of the muscle that needs to be released. In my kickboxing class, I actually had a physical therapist that was telling me all the different medical terms for pain and muscle, and it definitely makes sense once you're educated about it. So again, get those legs nice and going real strong. Again, off camera, I'm gonna be using it on my butt because of disc golf. I pulled my butt muscle yesterday. Well, if you can notice my puppy right here, she's come to join us here. Well, folks, Bob and Brad make excellent quality massage guns. You're not gonna be disappointed. Again, this is their more full-size model. If you're elderly and you want something a little bit lighter than 2 pounds, they do offer mini ones as well, not to mention a middle-size one. The next one I'll be reviewing by them is going to be their mini massage gun, but I already have on the channel their medium-size one. I'll link these in the description box below. This one will be the top link. That's going to be right below the video. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I'm making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you decide to purchase it, I think you're really going to be enjoying relieving some of that pain in your muscles. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Again, subscribe if you like videos like this, and if you like DIY home renovation videos. I did all this accent wall, this master bedroom window install. Check out the channel. We got a lot of fun stuff here. Again, your links are below. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.